Using an Apple gift card to buy Apple products is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. When you want to buy Apple products, you usually start by visiting the Apple Store. Once you're on the Apple Store website or app, you browse through the products available and select the ones you want to buy. You add them to your shopping cart. After you've added all the desired products to your cart, you proceed to the checkout page. This is where you finalize your purchase. On the checkout page, you will see options for payment methods. Here, you choose Apple gift card as your payment method. This means you'll be using a gift card to pay for your purchase. After selecting the Apple gift card option, you will need to enter the card information. This typically includes the gift card number, expiration date, and security code. Along with the card information, you will also need to provide the billing address. Scroll down on the checkout page until you find a field for entering your gift card number. Here, you will input the number found on the back of your Apple gift card. Once you've entered all the required information, you will need to click on the Continue to Review button. This action will proceed to the next step in the checkout process.